Assalamu alaikum. I start with the great name of Allah Pak, who is the most beneficent and the most merciful. Kindly recite Durud Pak. Today I will discuss here Newton's second and third law of motion of chapter number 5, force and motion. Newton's second law of motion statement: when a force acts on an object, it produces acceleration in the object in its own direction. This acceleration is directly proportional to the magnitude of the force and inversely proportional to the mass of the object. So न्यूटन सेकेंड लॉ ऑफ मोशन है कि किसी भी ऑब्जेक्ट पे अगर आप फोर्स लगाते हैं तो वो बॉडी वो ऑब्जेक्ट एक्सेलरेशन प्रोड्यूस करेगी. डेरिवेशन ऑफ फार्मूला F इज इक्वल टू एम ए. एफ फॉर फोर्स. फोर्स मीन्स अगर किसी भी ऑब्जेक्ट को अगर आप पुश और पुल कर रहे हैं तो उसे हम फोर्स कहेंगे. M फॉर मास. मास मीन्स वज़न. एंड A फॉर एक्सेलरेशन. फॉर एग्ज़ाम्पल आपके पास कार है. अगर कार को आप स्टार्ट करते हैं तो आप फोर्स लगा रहे हैं उस पर. कार के कोई वज़न है उसे हम मास कहेंगे. और कार जिस स्पीड से डिस्टेंस कवर करेगी उसे हम एक्सेलरेशन कहेंगे. नाउ डेरिवेशन. Consider a body of mass m is moving with acceleration a by applying force F. According to the Newton's second law of motion, a directly proportional to F, यानी कि acceleration जो है वो directly proportional है force के. Directly proportional means अगर force को हम increase करते हैं तो acceleration भी increase होगी. अगर force decrease होती है तो acceleration भी decrease होगी. And second equation is acceleration is inversely proportional to mass. Combining both equations where k is constant of proportionality, if the acceleration produced in a body of unit mass when a force of unit magnitude is applied, then obviously k is equal to 1. अब इस फार्मूले को आप अरेंज करेंगे. A is equal to F divided by m. Then after arranging, ma is equal to f is equal to ma. Newton's third law of motion statement: to every action there is always an equal and opposite reaction. According to Newton's law of motion, we have F for action and negative F for reaction. The negative sign indicates that the two forces are parallel but in the opposite direction. For example, we walk on the ground, we push the ground backward, and as the reaction, the ground pushes us forward. Due to this reason, we are able to move on the ground. Another example, if a book is placed on the table, it exerts some force on the table which is equal to the weight of the book. The table, as a reaction, pushes the book upward. This is the reason that the book is stationary on the table and it doesn't fall down. That is enough for today. Thanks to Allah. Learning something new. Stay safe, stay home, love your parents. Allah Hafiz.